And given what happened over the weekend in the Middle East, the focus is on geopolitics as we kick off a new trading month. But at the same time, when we think about what we saw at the close of last Friday, there are concerns about how AI would disrupt certain industries as well as the bank sector getting hit. And there are also ongoing concerns about private credit. So how has your base case changed as we head into the final month of Q1?
Yeah. So look, I mean, that has been kind of the underlying concern, kind of coming into this week, right? And that doesn't really change, right? That really kind of kicked off and kind of accelerated when kind of the Citrini report came out, kind of last Sunday. I followed Citrini for a long time. I was sort of surprised that it had as big of a market impact as it did. I think, but it is kind of a thought piece. But he kind of said, kind of what everybody was concerned about or thinking about out loud, and you kind of, the reaction function that you saw within the market, kind of just tells you, kind of suggests how much uncertainty and how much fear, kind of there is, kind of here currently. Look, I think the geopolitical situation adds an entirely kind of new, kind of wrinkle to the situation.